Hare Krishna, I am Girinanta from Rhythmic Rhythms.
Today, let's explore the 33rd verse of the Hanuman Chalisa.
तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. This verse reveals how devotion to Hanuman connects us directly to Lord Rama and removes deep sorrows. So now let us understand it line by line. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे. This means through devotion to Hanuman, one attains Lord Rama. By remembering Hanuman, singing his praises, and seeking his blessings, our hearts are led straight to Ram's lotus feet. Hanuman is a bridge between the devotee and the Lord. Next comes Janma Janma ke dukha bisarave. This means the sorrows and burdens carried from many lifetimes are destroyed by Hanuman's grace. He takes away sufferings, confusion, and fear, giving his devotees courage, peace, and devotion. What does this verse teach us? This verse teaches us that remembering Hanuman is remembering Rama. Hanuman clears away lifetimes of pain and fills our hearts with hope and faith. So, when we chant this verse, we are freed from sadness and when we chant this verse, we are freed from sadness and move closer to the joy of Ram's presence. Jai Hanuman.